Hey guys, what's up? This is gonna be my second dip video. Let me get some music going. You guys like Justin Moore? I love that kid. He's good. Listen to him. This is How I Got to Be This Way by Justin Moore. Beast. Yeah, it's gonna be a short video because my camera's being retarded. So yeah, but this is my new dip. It's Skull Pouches. I just want to try it. I don't know. Try it out. I can roll with this. Ain't bad, ain't bad. It's alright actually. That was my second time trying it, I guess.